And here I come. Hey guys, I'm so excited to tell you that the channel is now eligible for memberships. Let me tell you first that all the contents that I have been uploading till now, the tips and tricks, the stock photography videos, my best sellers, the stock photography updates, everything will continue to be uploaded in the channel for free. But if you become a member by clicking the join button beside the subscribe button for a very nominal monthly fee, which you can cancel it anytime, you will become a member and you will have extra benefits. So what are those benefits? Being a member, you will gain access to the exclusive members only WhatsApp group where I will be personally reviewing your photos, videos, I'll be replying your personal queries, and I'll be telling you what's the best keywords, titles and description for your photos and videos so that you can maximize your sales. In addition to that, you will get access to an exclusive members only Facebook group. You know, right now my Facebook and Instagram message is so much flooded with questions that I am failing to answer each and everybody. Even I am not answering my mail since last 3 months. I am answering YouTube comments, it's fine. I tried to prioritize my YouTube comments, but the direct messaging is totally mess. But being a member, you will get instant replies. Moreover, there will be special videos regarding how to shoot stock photos, what I do in order to make the best selling photos, how do I make my lighting setup, how do I shoot photography. All of them will be members only. There will be members only live stream and many more. So don't delay. If you want to be a part of the Teaching Doc community, become a member and you will get access to all of these as long as you want. But this is completely your decision. Even if you don't decide to become a member, it's no harm. Being a subscriber, you will still have access to the best channel there is regarding stock photography on YouTube. And lastly, if you become a member and if you're having any YouTube channel, I'll also shout out your YouTube channel. That will increase your YouTube channel traffic, as well as I will shout out your names in every videos. So this is it guys. I thank you so much for supporting me, and I know you'll be continuing to support me and become a member of this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.